Most of what passes for modern technology in 2026 is, frankly, disposable. Planned obsolescence isn't a theory, it's a design specification. But occasionally, something emerges, an outlier, built not for the landfill, but for a lifetime. The Clek Foonf Convertible car seat is one such rarity. Its rigid latch system, a quiet industry standard among those who understand what secure truly means, isn't just about safety. It's about time. Imagine a Monday morning, a quick transfer between vehicles, and in mere seconds, not minutes of fumbling, your most precious cargo is anchored. That's 10-15 minutes back in your day, every single time. It's an investment in your peace of mind and your morning schedule. Pick this up. Feel the weight. This isn't some injection-molded plastic shell. Beneath the flame-retardant-free fabric, a cold, dense steel substructure reinforces every critical point. This isn't just hefty, it's zero-flex engineering. It's built like a tank because it needs to be. The React Crumple Zone, the steel anti-rebound bar, these are not marketing bullet points. They are deliberate, over-engineered systems designed to prevent catastrophic failure, ensuring this piece of equipment doesn't just meet standards, it defines them for years, for decades. Now, if I'm being entirely candid, the buckles, while undeniably robust, can initially feel a touch stiff. A minor ergonomic quibble, perhaps, for a product designed for such long-term, heavy-duty use. But that fleeting stiffness, a sign of precision-machined components, is a small trade-off when you consider the uncompromising security and the decades of service you're buying. It's a testament to its primary purpose, where absolute security trumps fleeting comfort in initial feel. The Clek Foonf, like all truly well-engineered solutions, is an investment. And as we've seen with quality components, street prices, especially on Amazon, are volatile, unpredictable. They fluctuate with demand and manufacturing cycles. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.